Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Aves once here again. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. So as you can see, today I'm making a requested video, and this is a balm or a treatment for very dry and chapped feet. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First of all, I am going to be needing some petroleum jelly. I've got here some Vaseline. I'll get about 1 teaspoonful. Next, I'll come in with a teaspoonful of baking soda. I'll put in a drop of lemon essential oil. I'll give it a good mix to form a paste. Now, if you've got dry feet, just take part of the paste and massage it on the affected area. You should be very generous. During the winter, our feet usually get so dry and dehydrated, so this comes in very handy. Vaseline is very effective when it comes to dry and chapped skin and feet. I must say it works wonders, and it works overnight. You don't need to use it a long time to see results. It's recommended to do this at night before going into bed. You should do this at least once a week for maximum results. So after you've massaged it, just put on a socks. This will trap moisture into the skin over there and help get rid of the hard, dry, dead skin. It will give you softer and smoother feet. So this was a short one, and I hope you do give it a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.